YouTube? Welcome back to my second channel. With me here again is my good friend Kiersten seethaler with her backup YouTube account.
Chucky, phone, be quiet. I was gonna do that. Chucky, smell.
Oh, welcome guys for Chuck E. Cheese today's afternoon fun break, and they just upload Jasper's Dog Days of Summer.
Well, they kind of beat me to it on this one. Been about 2 years since we last seen a phone. It's been more than 2 years since we've last heard a new song from Jasper.
Yeah, it's been 2 years since Jasper had a new song, along with Jasper's Country Classic and Jasper's Snowman.
Not getting again.
Oh, Tion.
Now there goes yours.
That's mine, so I have to wait from that one. So today, we're going to start this reaction video to Jasper's Dog Days of Summer. Without any further introduction, let's do it! Here we go! Yeah! There's that tire swing. There's Jasper!
Wait till you see Helen on that tire swing.
Oh yeah. What could be better?
And I remember those summer nights, sleeping out underneath the stars.
That's Jasper over there, sleeping in the stars.
Yeah, would that remind you of Cowboy's Life for Me?
Yes, Cowboy's
from
Life.
2016?
Yes, it's a Cowboy's Life for me.
That was 5 years ago.
Yeah.
Holy crap.
I love Jasper's outfit, the red shirt and the overalls.
Yeah.
That remind you of Trio?
Are so bright. I wish I might
Stay here forever. Pack my lunch, dragging out my pole, and we headed down to the fishing hole without a care. There's Munch.
He's in a farmer's outfit too.
That's a dog days. Hanging out with all my friends. Gummy worms.
Gummy worms. I like that.
Never end.
What is the magic spell we're
Under.
It was a dog days of summer.
Na 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 na. Oh, let me just play back. Oh, there's that fish.
Oh, a fish. Okay.
Okay, Munch caught a fish. Sorry.
Long tall
Lemonade.
Sitting out back on the porch in the shade. I bet I could have sat there for days.
What could be better?
Blue skies and you and me swinging from a tire.
There's
on
Helen.
the porch.
Hey, yes. There we go. There we go.
Helen and a tire swing.
Yes. That's a good part.
That's a good
I would
one.
rather be, but it can't last
Oh, now
forever.
she's in full puppet. That's cool. Back the lunch, dragging out my pole, and we headed down to the fishing hole without a care and filled with wonders. On ice? Dog days. Hanging out with all my friends. Hoping that the sunny days will never end. Fish sticks.
I'm sorry. My phone got vibrating.
Oh, that is okay. Oh. Pepperoni?
Wait, pepperoni? Where?
Right there. We'll just order fishing and pepperoni.
Oh my God.
Pizza.
Pizza.
It's Munch's favorite.
I'll always have these memories.
that kind of monster.
That's right,
Just
Jasper.
so happy spending days like these with good friends and family.
What could be better?
And so I'll
Pack my lunch, strapping around my pole, and
settle down to the
Chucky's on there.
Hey, Chucky!
Chucky was on there.
Yes, Chucky.
Wonder. Hanging out with all my friends, hoping that the sunny days will never end.
What is the magic spell we're under?
Sing it, Jasper.
It's a dog days of summer.
Na 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 na. It's dog days of summer. Okay. It's dog days of summer. Bravo, Jasper!
Awesome. Awesome.
Awesome. Woo! Doggy! And again, I'm still working on my Jasper T. Jowls impression.
Yeah, same here.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I want to give a huge thanks to Kiersten Seethaler for joining me in this video. She will be doing a reaction video on her backup YouTube account.
Yes, sirree. let me play this funny thing again. It's so freaking funny.
Okay. The intel!
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness, I'm sorry. Oh. Okay. Don't forget the good old Chucky snap.
Oh my goodness. Oh.
And I really hope that Chuck E. Cheese will upload next week. I dare you not to laugh or summer jokes from Pasquale. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Subscribe to Kiersten Seethaler's backup YouTube account.
Yes. Subscribe if you want to see some more of the Chucky snout, the puppy snout, and Munch nostrils.
Oh. Oh. Actually, when Jack and I was sending you that message and your phone kept vibrating and you said, "Phone, be quiet."
Yeah, that was funny.
Yes. Anyway, have a good day. Stay safe. Be kind. Have a Chucky day. Or in Jasper might say, keep your friends close and your dogs closer.
And stay cool during the hot summer days.
Yes. Subscribe, and I will see you guys next time for more videos.